Is your Beko dishwasher leaving standing water after a cycle? You're not alone. Drainage issues are a common problem, but often easily fixed. Your Beko dishwasher's drainage system has three key components that work together. First, the filter system catches food debris. Then, water flows through the drain hose. And finally, the drain pump forces water out of the machine. Start by checking for any error codes on your dishwasher's display. Newer Beko models from 2024 and later have smart diagnostics that can pinpoint drainage issues. Look for codes like E04 for drainage problems or E05 for pump issues. About 35% of dishwasher service calls relate to drainage problems. The most common cause is clogged filters, accounting for 60% of drainage issues. Blocked hoses cause 25% of problems, while pump issues account for 10%, and other causes make up the remaining 5%. Here's what a clogged filter looks like. Food debris accumulates over time, blocking the water from draining properly. This is the most common cause of drainage problems, and fortunately, it's also the easiest to fix. Now that you understand the three main components and the most common causes of drainage problems, you're ready to start troubleshooting your Beko dishwasher systematically. Let's start with the most common cause of drainage issues: clogged filters. These are located at the bottom of your dishwasher and need regular maintenance. Remove the bottom dish rack first, then unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise. Lift out both the coarse and fine filters. Rinse the filters under hot water using a soft brush to remove debris. For stubborn buildup, soak them in warm, soapy water. Experts recommend cleaning filters every 2 to 4 weeks. Here's another view showing the filter area. After cleaning, reassemble everything in reverse order, making sure the cylindrical filter is properly screwed back in place. Step 2 involves inspecting the drainage hose. This flexible tube carries water from your dishwasher to your home's plumbing system. Check the hose routing for any kinks or sharp bends that could restrict water flow. The hose should have a gentle curve without being pinched or twisted. Proper elevation is crucial. The hose should be elevated 20 to 24 inches above the floor to prevent backflow and ensure proper drainage. If you find blockages, disconnect the hose and flush it thoroughly with hot water. Make sure all connections are secure at both the dishwasher and disposal or drain pipe. The final step is assessing the drain pump. This motorized component forces water out of the dishwasher and can become clogged or damaged over time. To inspect the pump, first remove the filters as we did earlier. Then remove the pump cover and check for debris around the impeller. Manually rotate the impeller to ensure it moves freely. Clear any visible obstructions, but be gentle to avoid damage. Remember, 85% of drainage issues can be resolved through proper filter maintenance. If pump problems persist or you're uncomfortable with the repair, consider professional assistance.